Now what I'm going to do first is pull this off, and then start pulling all the siding off. And that will be when we show you what the wall looks like when we get that done. We'll take you back to it. Well, here it is. We've uncovered the aluminum siding and moved the board over. So this is about where the window needs to be. We're going to put a new board here because this is pretty bad. I want to support it better under here. It'll go all the way up into the 36 inches up. This is just the mobile home side. Then we got to go outside, take the siding off, take the window out, and maybe take the plywood. I'll open it up first and see what we see. But right now I'm going to take a sawzall, cut right here, and cut right here. That way I can figure out where I need to put in. Quite the journey. I end up removing this one over here out of the way because this 4x4 back in here was so far out of level, and the owner came out and he didn't want me to, or she didn't want me to, either one, move that 4x4. So we moved the whole window over and then went outside and pulled it all off. So I'm sorry I didn't take you guys along with me.